Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to permanently delete text messages on iPhone. So step one, open the messages app on iPhone, which is this green one. And here you will see all the text messages on your iPhone. To delete a text message, simply click on it and hold it like this. And as you see, you will see this delete button. Click on it. This conversation will be deleted from all of your devices. If you report as spam, the conversation will be sent to Apple. So click on delete to delete this text message. And till now, your message is only moved to the recently deleted folder. And it will be deleted automatically after 30 days. To permanently delete this text message now, it's simple. Just click on this icon from this corner and select recently deleted. And you will see your deleted message here. Select it again from here and click on this trash icon. And this way you will permanently delete this text message on your iPhone. And this is how to permanently delete a text message on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.